Martin.
My name is Martin.
Nice to meet you. I live in Delft, Mijnero.
Hallo, met die open die.
Come Marty boy.
My ding is Dina, ek is aan 'n honeymoon, maar ook is ek 5 uur wakker. Saam die klomp. Groot koppe.
Die mense wat nie getroud is.
Die ongetrouwde mense wat wil hike. Ja, guys, wat ja. Ek dink my laaste date was die laaste vlog, maar jy gaan dus alweer. The ending of the honeymoon. Let's go. Wat? Ampara. Ik wil huis toe gaan.
I'm a new driver. Every time when I do clutch control, then I start singing.
Everyday life.
We all were like that, even on a normal road, you didn't want to even stop. As we go stop, kom ek kyk
Yo! Sy wil net stop nat maak, meneer. Sy spat, meneer. Robert maak, kyk jy toe sy nuwe drivers, hy maak Robert so anxious nou. Want sy wil nie weer die wegtrek proses.
En sy wil nie voor staan, oké.
Especially if you must turn off somewhere, and like it's a green light, like it's straight, but you must turn off.
Hoe moet jy as jy rechts moet ry by Robert is? Oh my word.
Terug
man. Ghetto. Oh, she got me doing things I never did.
En nou, dat is nie man.
Sorry. Apologies.
Sorry?
I didn't do anything. It's a Spotify.
It is this Spotify. Ah,
Maar de guest is.
Alright guys, we are judging the hike outfits today. Let's go around. Let's see the vibes. Alright guys, yeah. Alright, let's start here with Nima. Alright, here we have not trying to do too much. SABC to
Not trying to do
for the
any
government.
that is going on the news.
Yeah, we have. Alright, trying to be sportive aan haar Bergweg by Adidas, but no, wij gaan nou. Ik is bij jou. Bergweg bij Adidas, so nou try ek ook maar. Maar ek weet ook nie wat ek doen regtig. Okay? En me, hierso?
I wanted to say something on.
Wag, guys, Ina sien wat reg lyk. Ja, sy move.
You then look like a blue Power Ranger, and why do you have green socks on? Oh, is this neon? What color is the socks?
Okay. Alright, hier's nog iets. Alright, Shana en sy try nou weer maak asof nou I didn't try to look mooi, but jy gaan nog steeds my lippies. Sy sien kyk sy selfies gaan vat. Is die lippies nog steeds in die earrings? Okay, grand. OG hyke. Nee, die man het alles wat nodig is. Alright guys, this is the referee ook hierso. Hy kon nou net aan die mense se game af. Come guys, let's start now. Wel nie regtig wat okay.
Ja, dit gaan nog.
Keep your hand.
Kan ons hier op.
Yo.
Wat glo van man? Sien dit dis lekker ekstra hy so ons kry eintlik meer waarde vir ons geld. Ek is ek gesout meneer. Mike is op die kop meneer. Ek is so hy producer sien hy wat die mic so hou. So. Het ons hier begin hy. Is dit die warm-up? Kyk, die mense wil al nou begin. Julle weet julle kan net by die pad oploop. Net dis ligte vrugte, guys. Die mense so maar hier, hy gryp sommer iemand.
Hy sê jy ook gaskanter.
Guys, dis nog eens die hykie en julle sukkel ook. Ons het nog eens begin hykie en die mense stry al klaar. Loop jy voor. Kyk hoe lyk dit van die sy weet nie waar nie. Jo, my bene is al klaar lam. Jo, kyk hoe mooi lyk dit daar.
As jy nog tyd om terug te draai, nou.
This is the start.
My bene is al klaar lam.
Guys, I think let's stop for the lunch break. We have backup. Matthew, okay. You can go backup if you need it.
So Simon was like a Ek song het of iets.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Hia, ho. Wat het ons gister aan Selika gesing? She says she came from Jamaica. Waar is die mense agter? Shane, loop aan die stok soos 'n spier. Hey nou? Julle is die OG's kom. Hey weer, one over here by die een. Sy lyk soos hy bougie aunties, né? Wat sy ouers, wat sy kinders into like physical activities en nou sy forced om saam te gaan. Maar sy is eintlik sturvy, so sy hou nie van saam.
There's no shortcuts in life. Take a video of it.
Dangerous, no entry hulle manier. Maar it's for when you turn right, man. It's not this one. Wat zit er de mine, Tafa?
Mine is weak. Don't quit. Keep going.
Oh, is die nou motivational? So inspiring.
Giving up. Just know your breakthrough is coming.
He is move. Like gevaarlijk. Nee, die man is prophetic, meneer. Huh? Ik had altijd iets, is wisdom. Wisdomized.
Die spray helpen niet.
Die spray.
Die is ook klaar lang.
Meneer, wanneer mijn hele toiletbag is hier in. Dus ik was zo zwaar. Ik zeg, wat is er nodig? Ex, Playboy.
No.
Solo. Oh, het weekie. Damn it. Ja, lekker daar. Lions Head, guys. Roar. Wat zit het? Dit is mooi.
Ik is mooi. Ik is papa. Ik is papa.
Ik is bij een moegies. Ik is stok, man. Dit is redelijk.
Guys, I understand why chicken started day screaming.
Oeh, amper val ik. Oeh. Guys, progress report. We're still going, but was up fumes. Still going strong. Gotta keep it going. Gotta keep it showing. Babes, right.
Keep moving, Johnny!
Sy is net wat. Net hy, oh, right. Daar so sien ons so Matthew hulle kom aan. Tafa sê as sy stop gaan sy moeg omval, so sy moet aanbeweeg. Ons verstaan van. Ek is ook moeg, maar my pretend game, guys, different level. Ek kan nou vir jou pretend, ek het energy en soms glo ek myself. So ja, let's go. Ek is nou trots op die kind, jong, guys. Huh?
Ja.
Nee, gevaarlijk. Alright, guys, we made it. We are here. We made it. Wat is die? Guys, als jullie like. Zo. Hoeveel jullie senzo beans, man? Senzo beans. Ze nodig het voor een goede donor. Amper van ik het niet genoeg. I don't have enough senzo beans, that's why, man. Wie dan sê dis Moses gedeel aan hoe stokke. Mense stry oor stokke. Nou, julle is regte eikers jong, waar my stok, my naam is daar op. Maar hy steek, hy is Jesus se stokke my vrou stel. Oor die Here se stokke. Dis nie meer hy ding of wat jy al is jou te plek wat so wat jy. Man, eet hom my Senzo beans nou vibes. Daar kan jy koop. Daar kan jy sommer die license koop ook op Temu. Die drone license. As jy kan nie frame. Kijk, Garanza beard.
I don't even know how
We
to
have a
start.
reporter on the scene, SABC Sport, Tasnima.
Reporting live from Kloof Corner, we have Dylan, Shane, Grant, Tiffany, myself, and Matty. I almost died.
Can you give us a weather update, please?
The weather is looking a bit warm on this side, but if you go to that side, it's a bit cold. And then we have a clown here in the background. Yes, but it's lovely.
One last thing. The body is weak, but the mind is strong.
There we go.
Motivation for the day.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
SABC News, here we go.
Here we go.
Now I'm gonna teach you some photography stuff. You guys are gonna kiss in the back. I'm gonna come around. Here's just a Twinkie. Come on. Come on.
Die is hier romantic foto.
Oh.
Yo! Is dat cute bro? Julle okay, julle is next. Wat moet jy Susara hulle? Susara en wat sy naam? Okay. Ooh, the oulik titi. Okay, julle next.
Don't you want to take? Don't you want to take?
No.
With what?
You can already. Someone take of me since everyone's scared now. But you must get the angles like I got the angles.
How did
No,
you get
I
the
put it on this.
Nou probeer het
Right?
doen.
You must stand there. Nobody want to take with a stick.
Ooh. Right, reporting live Grand hoeveel sy.
Nee, ek is alright. Die aircon is aan.
Wat voel jy met al die mense wat sy vandag gebring het? Gaan sy vir hulle weer bring of is hulle te veel complainerig? Wat is die storie?
Hulle is alright, hulle is die boel. Hulle is die boel, hulle is die boel. Ja, nee.
That's so lang.
Ek dink sy gaan meer hy na One enjoy. Next time.
Just one more from that angle.
Ek wil lekker loopie mense daar One.
There's two views. But guys, I need some sense of being I'm running out of views.
Okay, bye. Ek lyk soos Go Gadget. Is nou afdrand. Thank you, tour guide. Thank you, Mrs. Naidu. It's just one step at a time. There's no need to run. Focus in net vibes. Ek gaan vir jou lekker hier afneem.
Maybe we must carry. We didn't carry me.
Ja, nee, afdrand. Wow. Ek is nog nie by fitness level nie, man. Hy kom by year 3. Want ek nou lekker gejam het, sien jy? Ja, lekker getroud is, lekker gejam het. Dan kan ek jou lekker dra, maar vir nou moet sy maar my gevoelens dra. Like time.
They first need to know who you are. There's no signal here.
Hi, push boy. I'm gonna put back now.
Dit means hy Senzo jong. Senzo beans.
Guys, the sensor is vital.
It's essential even. You make the face, I make the sound, hike edition. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, now keep it on you.
2, 3, go.
Mike. Okay, wait, let me. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it again, let me see. Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Yow!
Okay.
1, 2, 3, yow!
Okay. Bye. Guys, welcome to my hiking playlist. Let's go. Hiking playlist 3, 2, 1. Just one step at a time. There's no need to rush. You guys thought that was all. We have another one coming. Everybody want to step. I love it when you want to step. Wow, how am I taking shortcuts? I'm not. I'm making space for you to come past. But the other song, it was no fun steps. Away guys, so the second part of the hike went so fast I didn't even get a chance to make any videos, but this is what happened after the hike. Alright guys, ons moet nog klaar hike man, né? So ek wil net gou vir julle wys, waar gaan ons nou ons proteïen kry na die hike. Kyk waar is ons. Gezond, né? Ons is nou lekker gezond. Na die hike, dis was ons nou eet. Ow! Cleo, how you doing?
You, Dylan?
Nice.
It's Dylan now, it's not Dylan anymore.
Het jou broer jou nie gesê nie is nou Dylan?
No, I didn't say.
Kykie. Sy weet as hy is van die man, né? Kykie, as hy die kant van die wallet opmaak. As hy die perd. Sy weet as January. 'n Man maak mos nooit, nee, kykie. Hierso meneer 20 gaan.
Yes,
Saam my speel die hele ding mos ek is jokes hierso. 20 ek seker maak dis regte geld. Jo, maar ken nou hy brood nie bro. Die nuwe R5 sal ek hoor dit nou. Dis sien. Hierso 20 rand. Jo, was moeilik hier guys. Sê is January so om te sê is January.
Nee, Dylan is net 2 rand aan die wallet.
Nog wel laat redig.
Ja.
Jo guys. Ik heb nog change. Kijk hoe gaan het guys, January. Hoeveel het ons nodig gedate gaan? Kijk hoe like al die geld guys. SABC Sport het ook al die geld maar. Guys, stop. Was maar hier is brood once. Waarvoor waren die mensen nog? Kijk hier. Sinds hulle gaan sê dat we brood nou maak hulle seker as 'n regte brood nou maak hulle seker nou.
Don't you get that side only this. Baby.
January guys. Don't go out in January. Kijk hier. Kijk hoe gaan het die groenpakke brood. Bruin brood meneer. Lekker, kijk die Nendo saus, tomatie saus meneer. Hulle gaat 'n koeldrink by die huiswinkel koop dink ek.
Javai, guys.
Javai? Hey. After hike recovery. Hoe loop meneer? Anyway guys, that's the end of the hike vlog. I'm gonna get better at ending my vlogs, but don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. God bless.